Hi guys, welcome back to the Big Blue House. In this video, I'll be sharing a mini Marshalls haul. Now is the time to shop at Marshalls. They have so many red tag items. During my trip, I got a random assortment of items, but it was something that I needed. So, you might have known, but I'm trying to revamp my office space, and so I got this organizer for my different pens. It also has 3 different drawers, which right now I'm using for sticky notes, one for cords, and one is empty. And in the 6 slots, I'm using them for highlighters, one for black pens, one for blue pens, one for microns and fine liners, one for gel pens, and another one multicolored pens. I also got this laundry container to organize in my laundry room. They had different colors. They had blue, gray, and off-white. However, the other colors had parts that were missing, and this is a set of 3. And it also comes with a little scoop on the side. The scoop might seem a little bit small at first, but it's good for a regular load, and then if I have a heavier load, I'll just add a little bit more. I'm using the big container for powder detergent, and then the second, or the medium-sized one for laundry sheets, dryer sheets, and then the smallest one, at the moment I'm using it for dryer balls, but I think I'm going to change that to OxiClean. I'm trying to use dryer balls instead of dryer sheets. However, I'm not having much luck with it. I feel like my clothes are still very staticky. I don't know if you can help, if you have any tips, or if you use dryer balls instead of dryer sheets, how they worked for you. You can let me know in the comments below. Having them out on the counter has been really convenient, and I don't know about you, but laundry isn't my favorite task, so making it fun and sort of cute really helps. It helps make it a little bit more enjoyable. And this is how all 3 of them look beside each other. I also purchased this cotton round dispenser, and I really like it because it's clear. It has a lid on it as well, and so you can refill it, and then it also comes with cotton rounds already in there. So make sure you get this one because they also have ones where it's not filled and it's more pricey, which I don't really understand, but yeah. So it has a lid and you can pop it off to refill it, and then it has a slot where you can actually just pull them out, and it's really convenient and a great add for your skincare routine. And just a tip, as you unbox things, it's good to just throw out the packaging right away instead of having a big mess to clean up later. I really like the loofahs at Marshalls because they're really big and like plush, and then they come in a 2-pack, 2 for $5, and they come in really nice colors. I've saved the best for last. I got this coffee machine riser for $3. Yep, $3. And it has these 3 drawers. Each drawer holds 12 pods, so in total it holds 36 pods. It also has the grips at the bottom, so it's not slipping and sliding, and it's not going to scratch your countertops as well. So I'm just going to take off the stickers and let's set up the coffee station together. And because it's in the kitchen, I'm just going to do a quick wipe with Lysol, and then I'll dry it with a paper towel. The riser comes in 2 different colors. One is this one, which is black and wood, and then the other one they had was all gray, so it was no wood, just all gray. And I like this one a bit better because all the appliances are black and it matches the coffee machine better. So a little bit of a tangent, or a little bit of a rant. At the beginning, I mentioned that I'm working on redoing my office space, and on social media, yeah, it seems like everyone has all the tools ready and everything's ready to go, but that's not everyone's reality. Well, at least not my reality at the moment. So I hope you follow along as I collect the things I want from my home office, one step at a time. I'll share the same advice that I use for myself, which is that if I want to redo a space, you can have like a rough concept of what you want and start to buy items on sale or what works for you, and you don't have to work to change. You can work to change one thing at a time. You don't need to have a massive transformation, and that's okay. You can buy one item at a time and enjoy it and work towards that massive transformation. Okay, thanks for listening to my rant. I wanted the machine to sit in the corner, like make this the little coffee station. However, the wire didn't reach, and the Keurig wouldn't open, and it would be hard for me to reach the water supply at the back. So I had to move it over a little bit, but then I used that space in the side to put the caramel plump. And I also got that from TJ Maxx, I believe, a little while ago. So here's a finished product. I do need to get a few more Cape cups, but so far I really like it, and it also frees up a drawer because I used to have them all in a drawer before. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!